So they're doing a lot of construction in my apartment complex and I cannot focus because it's really loud and they're like banging and drilling things. So I'm going to go study at Pete's. But I've had a really productive morning. I've gotten like 2 assignments done. I'm trying to get all of my assignments done for the week today so that I can just focus on studying for my finals for the rest of the week and then next week. So let's head to Pete's. It's 4 o'clock and I had a late lunch after coming back from Pete's. I got so much stuff done. I only have one more assignment and then I'm done with all of my assignments for the week, so it's been super productive. I've got a cup of tea. It's decaf Earl Grey. I love this because I like to have tea like all day, and so the decaf ones are perfect for the evening. I like black tea more than green. I used to like green a lot more, but I'm a black tea gal now. Okay, so I haven't really talked about this here on YouTube. I've talked about it on Instagram a lot, but I've been getting B's on all of my okay, so I'm taking pharmacology and foundations 1 right now. I've been getting B's on, or I got B's on my first 2 pharmacology exams, and I got an A on my last one. So I took a quiz earlier today, and I'm at an 89% in the class, which I didn't think I'd be at like this much of a borderline grade. So I have faith that I could get an A in the class. We have a medication brochure assignment, which is my last assignment that I need to do for this week. So if I get 100% on this, then that'll bump me up even more. And as long as I get like an A on our final, I think I should be okay. The only thing about the final is that, so we take the HESI finals and they are hard. We took our patho one and I did really good on that one, but I also like really understood patho and I was really good at patho, which pharm is not been like that, and it's curved between my cohort. So I don't know, but I'm determined to study really, really hard and to try to get the A in pharm. I would be so happy because literally this whole term I've just been like struggling through this class, and like I've been happy getting B's because I just feel like I don't know the material like even that well. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to really go ham. But the good thing is I have it next Wednesday. So it's Monday right now. So I have like a week and a half to study for it. So I think I don't know. I just don't know how to like split up my time. So next week is finals week for us. So we have our pharm HESI on Wednesday, a head to toe assessment for the fundamentals like lab portion. And then, did I say that was Thursday? So fundamentals Wednesday, head to toe Thursday, and then Friday we have our fundamentals HESI, and then I'm done. But I don't know, I'm nervous but also really excited, and I'm ready to study really hard. So time to get this medical brochure done. I'm gonna do great on it. I'm gonna work really hard, and then I'm gonna study really hard for pharmacology. I just finished my brochure. It turned out kind of cute. So let me show you. still have to do my citations, and oh my gosh, my hair. I still have to do my APA citations. It's not going to be on this. We have to do it like on a separate Word document. Then it's supposed to be at a 5th grade reading level, so we have to go in and like check the reading level. So I might have to change it a little bit more, because the last time I checked it was down to an 8th grade reading level. So I have to change some more things to get it down to 5th grade. I feel like it's gonna be really hard, because it's like, I don't know, like a 5th grader knows pregnancy, or do they not? Like, I don't know. It's so hard. Anyways, hopefully I'll be done with this really soon, and then I'll get this done tonight, submit it, and I'm done for the week, just focusing on finals. It's been a very productive day. What a Monday. Thank you for coming along on my day with me. I hope you kind of got a little sneak peek on what it's like to be in an accelerated program and to do it online. I'm exhausted. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all next time. Bye.